In today's video, I'm going to teach you some effective strategies for organizing the Shared with Me section in Google Drive. This section can often feel cluttered and unwieldy because it's essentially a view or filter of all the items others have shared with you, and doesn't provide the flexibility to reorder or label items like your personal drive does. But don't worry. Today I'll guide you through two clever workarounds using shortcuts, starring and color coding that will help you bring order to the chaos. Let's start with the first method, which involves creating shortcuts for shared files or folders. When you're in the Shared with Me section, you can right-click on any file or folder. By selecting Organize and then Add Shortcut to Drive, you can place a shortcut to this shared item anywhere in your own My Drive or its subfolders. It's important to remember that this process doesn't create a copy of the file, but adds a reference, allowing you to access the actual shared file right from your tailored folder setup. You might find it helpful to create a dedicated folder in your My Drive named something like Shared Projects or Shared with Me Shortcuts. Within these, you can systematically store all your shared item shortcuts. This recommendation helps bring the shared files into a space where you can fully customize the organization with folders, subfolders, and even colors. The beauty of using shortcuts is especially evident when you're using Google Drive for desktop. Here, the shortcuts you create will appear in your local drive, often designated as the G drive or something similar. This integration makes your shared files behave more like local files, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Moving on to our second strategy, let's discuss starring your frequently used shared files. This is a useful technique for those files that you access often, but don't necessarily want to integrate into your personal folder structure with shortcuts. To add a file to starred, simply right-click it in the Shared with Me section and select Add to Starred. Once done, all your starred files will be easily accessible from the starred section within Google Drive. This is a great option for quickly finding important files without altering your organizational hierarchy. Lastly, consider utilizing color coding for the shortcuts you've created in your My Drive. After establishing shortcuts for your shared files or folders, you can change the folder colors to distinguish them visually. For instance, suppose you have a folder in My Drive named Shared Projects. You can create subfolders for different projects or collaborators and assign different colors to each. Then, place the relevant shortcuts within these subfolders. This color-coded system acts as a quick visual identifier, enabling you to spot related shared content at a glance. By employing these techniques, you should find that managing your Shared with Me section becomes a much more streamlined and intuitive process. Whether you're using shortcuts, starring files, or applying color codes, these strategies will give you greater control and efficiency in navigating shared files on Google Drive. I hope these tips have been helpful in enhancing your Google Drive experience, and I'll see you in the next video.